I've used both of Bluehost and HostGator, and in this video, I will share with you which one is the best for you. Before we go into the details, I want to let you know that if you get one of these web hosting providers using my affiliate links in the description below, I will give you access to my online university for free, where you get access to multiple online courses, including one about your new web hosting provider. Without any further ado, let's get into the details. Directly after completing my purchase, Bluehost redirected me to a page where they started asking me questions to build my WordPress site and customize it based on my answers. Personally, I don't prefer setting up my site this way because most of the time these systems don't address the little details. However, I must admit that Bluehost did a pretty good job. For someone who just wants to launch their site in an acceptable way and as soon as possible, it is very useful. The second way to install WordPress on Bluehost was also easy because Bluehost comes with cPanel. The only drawback I found was locating the cPanel button. After that, the process was straightforward. Click on WordPress Manager by Softaculous, click Install, enter your information, click Install again and wait a moment. The next minute you will have your own fresh WordPress site that you can customize as you want. Installing WordPress in HostGator is simple. All you have to do is click on Settings, go to Advanced, and log into your cPanel by clicking on Manage. Click on WordPress Manager on the left. To start the process, click on Install. Make sure to always use HTTPS. Select your domain name. Enter your username, password, email, then click on Install. And there you have it, your WordPress is installed successfully. To disable this coming soon page, just log in to your WordPress site and under caching, click on Purge All. Now visit your website and it should be all functioning. For speed, I installed this plumbing template first, along with some content in order to mimic a website. Even on my slow internet connection, opening the pages of my website was quick enough. The same was true for the control panel of my WordPress site. When I tested website speed using tools like GTmetrix, Pingdom, and PageSpeed Insights, I got different results. Having used Bluehost many times before this video, I can say that Bluehost is slightly slower than Hostinger, but definitely faster to load than DreamHost. After setting up my WordPress site on HostGator, I installed the Astra theme along with a template containing some content to mimic a real website. Surprisingly, the website loaded quite quickly during my browsing sessions. I used a tool called Pingdom to check how well the website was doing. It gave my site a B grade, which is like 90 out of 100. This was quite promising. Additionally, I ran the website through Google's PageSpeed Insights, which provided scores of 70 for mobile and 89 for computer. Compared to other web hosting providers, HostGator performed slightly slower than Hostinger, but about the same speed as Namecheap and Bluehost. And compared to DreamHost, it was faster. Based on my findings, I am overall satisfied with the performance of my WordPress site on HostGator. Daily backups are free for the first year if you opt for the Choice Plus plan or above. To manage your backups, go to Websites, Settings, and click on Backups. CodeGuard is the tool responsible for creating and managing your backups. As you can see, my first automated backup was created for me around 33 minutes ago. To restore your backup, click on the little dots next to your desired copy. After that, you will receive an email confirming the start of the restoration process. Downloading your backup to your computer can be done by selecting Prepare a zip. The email containing the download link will be sent to your inbox. If your plan does not include CodeGuard or if it has expired, you can still create, download, or restore backups from cPanel using the software called Backup Wizard. However, be mindful that Bluehost's terms of service clearly states that backups are not guaranteed in any way and encourages you to run periodic backups. Additionally, Bluehost is unable to create automatic backups for sites above 30 GB in size. Unfortunately, automatic backups aren't included in my HostGator BB plan unless I pay for them. Even with the higher tier business plan, they're only free for the first year. However, I can still manually download full or partial backups and restore them from the cPanel. Compared to other shared hosting providers that offer easy automatic backups at a lower cost like Hostinger, HostGator's limitations on backups seem outdated. After considering HostGator's backup policy and my experience, I rate them a 3 out of 10. Having a 24/7 live chat support system is very helpful, but the help I got wasn't good enough. Last time I chatted with a support person, it took longer than they said it would. They told me it would take 3 minutes, but it actually took 9. The support person gave me enough information for my technical questions, but they struggled to address my specific concern regarding the deduction from my refund due to registering a free domain. Even when I tried to explain my issue clearly, the support person kept saying I'd get a full refund, ignoring that domain names aren't refundable. They didn't really try to understand my side of things. I've had 3 bad experiences in a row with Blue's support. Compared to Hostinger, Blue's support is slower and not as good. Connecting to a support agent through HostGator's live chat was quick, earning them the second spot after Namecheap in terms of the time to connect. However, when I asked a simple question about tips to improve my WordPress site's loading speed, I had to wait for 10 minutes. It felt like they forgot about me. Even after the long wait, the answer I received wasn't satisfactory. Instead of providing useful tips, the agent only cleared the cache of my website on the server level, which wouldn't make a lasting difference. Compared to other hosting providers like Hostinger, DreamHost, or Namecheap, HostGator's live chat support falls short. It seems to be on par with Bluehost, possibly because they share the same parent company. Overall, my experience with HostGator's live chat support left me dissatisfied.